Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharon, and this is Classy Shades Designs.
One of our subscribers asked that I do a project using crushed glass, and here I am. Purchased this glass at Amazon, and I am going to use two of the Dollar Tree circle foam pucks. I spray painted them metallic silver. I'm also going to use one of the mirrors that I have currently in my crafting stash. Because I only have one circle mirror, I am going to use some of this mirror vinyl, also purchased from Amazon, to complete this project. I traced the circles and cut them out so that I can use them to cover my painted foam circles. In using some hot glue, I just placed the mirrors, both the mirror themselves and the mirror sheets, on top of the foam circle. Now I'm using hot glue to help secure everything. Even though the paper is adhesive on the back of it, I wanted to give it some I wanted to secure the project by using additional glue and hot glue. Next, I'm coming in with some of the glitters that we sell or used to sell on our site. We have tons of it left. If you're interested, let me know. Not trying to sell you, just want to get rid of it. Anyway, I'm going to mix that together with some iridescent glitter, Artemis Crystal, both fine and chunky. Mix it with Mod Podge, and I'm going to take that mixture and run it along the side of our painted puck. Be careful not to get any of this Mod Podge onto your mirror, because it will create just more work for you at the end. Once you get a really thick layer of the Mod Podge and glitter mixture onto the sides of your foam, go ahead and sprinkle your crushed glass onto the onto the Mod Podge mixture. Now, I'm going to use this mirror sheet. Again, this adhesive mirror sheet, it comes off of Amazon. I love the little squares. We're just going to take these, take the mirror sheets and measure them out based on the size of the dowel rod as I stick it into the foam circle. Now, I don't want the entire dowel rod to be covered, because I really want to have the glue and the foam touching each other when we glue them together. So I'm going to leave a part of it exposed. I like this mirror because you can just cut it right off at the top, but be careful if you do use these mirrors, because if you nick the mirror itself, it could shard the glass and you can cut yourself. I'm doing a dry fit to make sure that it fits both width and length around the dowel rod. I think this is a 1/2-inch dowel rod that I picked up at Joann's, but again, I'm trying to utilize things that are in my craft room, because if you're like me, you already know we have tons of stuff that we've bought for other projects and we haven't completed. So I am going to remove this adhesive and just roll the dowel rod into the mirror backing. Now, make sure that you have one end level with the mirror towel and the dowel rod, and then just roll it, trying to make it taut as you go. Make it as tight as you can with the end exposed. Repeat this for all 4 of your dowel rods to make sure that each one is covered. Squeeze it together really good and cover it up. And there you go. There's 2 of them right now. You can see that I didn't get these cut quite well, but that's okay, because we will get them to fit into the foam leveled in a minute. After doing all 4 of my dowel rods, I am going to go ahead and punch the holes into the mirror paper so that the opening, the little circles that I had pre-fit to fit the dowel rods in, will be able to go down into the foam. And again, repeat this for all 4 of the circles so that we can put the dowel rods in them. Come on, you guys. So this is a shortened version of a live video that we did a couple of weeks ago. I go live every Sunday at 1 p.m. I encourage you to come over and join us. We just craft together. It'll be in my Craft With Me video if you want to see the full 1 hour making of this video. We're together for a 1 hour, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. But I'd love to have you there Sundays at 1 p.m. I also took some of the same mirror towel paper, or same mirror towel adhesive paper, and ran it along the sides of the bottom base so that we could finalize the project. You know, everything looks better when you have a good finishing around it. I hot glued the dowel rods and stuck each one of them inside of the appropriate circle. You can see I had to switch that one because it was a little deeper, and stuck the dowel rods inside of each one. And then I took my leveler and I'm going to level these out to make sure that they are balanced across the top. And that works. Make sure you get enough glue on each one of the dowel rods, and then repeat the glue on the top by making sure to put hot glue on the top of each one, and then put your top on it, and your project is complete. This is how it looks when it was done, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, join us on Sundays at 1 p.m. We go live, we have fun, and we do crafting together. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I hope to see you in our next video. Stay classy.